This is early morning ferry music as we're landing in Cancun at Puerto Juarez Ferry Terminal. We are on another adventure with Buddy, my blind puppy with bad cataracts, and we are on our way to Mexico City to have cataract surgery to restore his sight. I'll update you along the way, but we've started our journey. We've been seeing vets for the last month. He's had drops in his eyes twice a day for the last month, and now it's 3 times a day. And on tomorrow we will have our last checkup with the doctor to make sure everything's right. And then on Thursday morning, Buddy will have double cataract surgery. And then we will recover on Friday and fly home on Saturday if all things go as planned. Greetings from paradise. I'll update you on the adventures of Buddy, the wonderful puppy. Bye-bye. Greetings from paradise.